so Melissa and Cynthia here for the last time, maybe, on video. We just wanted to thank you, first of all, for reading our emails, watching our videos, learning more about FES. I hope that you have taken the time to look at our class menu, look at all of the amazing instructors that we have available. We've got a great plan for you to bring in elite level instructors to make a huge difference in the training, retention, recruiting of your agents, and just overall building that KW culture that we all love. Cynthia.
Absolutely. And I just want to make sure we share that this is not just a platform for helping you to recruit and helping you retain. It's also a platform to help you grow leaderships within your own market center through offering a platform for those KWU trainers to practice, to reach other audiences, to have opportunities for referrals. That aids in recruiting and retention as well. And so we're looking forward to spending more time with you to talk to you about how we can change your market center's trajectory.
Just click on the link in the email and schedule a time to chat with us. We'll look forward to it. Have a
Thanks, everyone.
fantastic day.